Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Today I'm teaching you how to scan your Nasco inbuilt TV for the free to air satellite stations which are free without an installer at home. So here you can see the TV shows no signal. No signal means there are no scanned channels on the TV. So I'll show you how to go about it. Okay, we start by going to menu on the remote control. You press menu, and here is the settings for the satellite dish. So first one is auto turning, second one is program edit, then we have schedule list, then signal information, then we have dish setup. So we go straight to dish setup because we don't have channels here. We are going to scan for them. Dish setup, so we pay you extra, which is used already. So I'll press EPG to show the list to enter the transponders. As you can see on the screen, you can know that the yellow button is to add a transponder to the SAT. So I'll press the yellow button on the remote control. And my first CP I want to add is 11676. And okay, I come to the single rate, and that is 30,000. Polarity is horizontal. Then okay, the transponder is saved on the SAT. Then we add again with the yellow button. Then the second transponder we are adding is 11096. Then 30,000, but this polarity is vertical. So we switch it to vertical. Then okay, save to. We add again by pressing the yellow button. Then the third transponder we are adding is 11595. Then 30,000 and is vertical too. So okay, we save it. We add again. Then we put in the fourth transponder, which is 11636. 30,000 and vertical. We add again, and the fifth transponder is 11676. 30,000 and vertical. We add again, and the sixth transponder is 12526. 30,000 and vertical. We add. We add another transponder, which is the seventh one, and that is 12726. 30,000 and vertical. We add again, and the eighth transponder is 1606. 30,000 vertical. The ninth transponder is 10970. This one, the simple rate is not 30,000, but rather it's the 7,500. Vertical to NBC. Now, how we are now going to scan. What we do is we will select the transponders we added. We select them, and as you can see, it is indicated on the screen that if we are wanting to scan, we use the blue key on the remote control. So we press the blue key to scan. And here, scan mode, default, blind scan, or network. So I'll go for default. Then channel type, free plus scramble, or free then scramble 2. So I'll go for free because I don't want any scramble channels to be added to my satellite list. Then scan type all DTV radio. So I'll say all because I want both DTV and radio channels. Then I'll press OK. As you can see, the scan is ongoing and we are getting both DTV programs and radio programs. Finished. Before we do anything else. Okay, very good. The scan is done and we can see we have the channels here which will be playing. As you can see, we have successfully gotten the free-to-air channels on Ghana's MULTITV transponders, and all these channels are supposed to be playing, and so we have successfully scanned our Nasco inbuilt TV. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share.